So in this video I'm going to just show you how I apply it. So I start by taking out my twists, and you can see how dry my hair is. It's really dry, very frizzy, and it's not bouncy. So I apply the avocado in bits. The best way to apply it is to divide your hair into bits, which I did, but I didn't have to divide it into 4 because my hair is really short. But if you've got really long hair, you might need to divide it. So I divide it and I apply it. I saturate my hair with it. So my hair is bouncing now, and that's what I like to see. Every forcing natural, that's what we all like to see, isn't it? Nobody wants frizzy, dry hair. We want bouncy hair, because that shows that it's been moisturized. The moisture doesn't stay in for more than 3 days, so I have to re-moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner, and I will share that in another video. Every week I use the avocado deep conditioner, and it keeps my hair moisturized, as I said, for at least 3 days. After that I use the leave-in conditioner.